Okay, so let's take a quick peek at this problem. Um, First thing, always, whenever you're doing a word problem, define your variables. And I see how many quarts of each flavor should you make in order to make the largest profit. So therefore, our goal is to max profit with the variables of different flavors. So let's call V equals the number of quarts of vanilla, and we're going to have M for mocha. Okay, so here we go. So what would our profit be? They're telling us we make a profit of $3 on vanilla, so 3V plus, and then they're telling us we make $2 on mocha, so 2M. That's equal to our profit. Now, the other constraints are going to be related to, I believe, what's making this stuff. So let's see. Into each quart of cream and vanilla goes 2 eggs. Okay, so we're going to have an egg equation. So 2V plus, how many eggs go into mocha? 1. So M, that has to be less or equal to however many eggs we have, 350. And then for our other one, we're going to have a cream equation. We have 3 cups of cream and going into vanilla, and then we have 3 cups of cream, excuse me, 3 cups of cream going into mocha, and that has to be less than or equal to 600. So now we're going to find our intercepts. So I will do it VM. So therefore, my first intercept and my second intercept. So therefore, when I plug in 0 for vanilla, I end up with 350 quarts of mocha, and when I plug in 0 for mocha, I end up with half of 350, which is 175. So then over here, we do the same thing for the second equation. So when I plug in 0 for V, I get, I'm going to get both ways, so 200, 200. So now the nice thing, excuse me, what happened there? 200, 200. There we go. So now I'm going to go ahead and graph. Now we can't have negatives, so I'm just going to call it vanilla and mocha. So I'm going to have a intersection of 175 and 350 for my first line. And then, here, let's draw that line out. Oops, it's going to come out purple. That's okay. It'll be purple. And then for the next line, we'll see if this will work. Here, we'll make it blue. Okay, so then for the next line, this one's going to go at 0, 200, 200. So 200 and 200. So then this line will come along here. I guess they're both blue. Whatever. So now we need to shade. So they're both less than or equal to, so if we do a test point of 0, 0 on both of them, 0 plus 0 is less than, so that's true. So they're both shading down. So our solutions region is going to be trapped inside here. So now when we're doing this, when we do this, we're going to say where are our corner points. So we're going to have one right here, and one right there. Now, of course, you do have one right there at 0, 0, but obviously that's not going to maximize our profit if we make nothing. So we're going to ignore that one. So we'll say this is corner point A, corner point B, corner point C. So now, corner point A, we can read straight off. That one's really easy. A, let me get out of red. A was the intersection, it was the intercept, so it's 0, 200. Then we've got B. That one is coming from the intersection of these two lines. So we can quickly do that. So for this method, you could use elimination technique, substitution. I'm going to quickly just throw it into my graphing calculator and have it do reduced echelon form. Okay, and my calculator just told me that is 150 vanilla and 50 mocha. So then point C, again, that one's relatively easy because we can read it straight off of here. That is a 175, 0. So now what we need to do is take each of these values and substitute them into our max equation. So 3, 2, so 3, the profit is equal to 3 vanillas and 2 mochas. So therefore, profit on A, let's try that again. A gives us a profit of, there we go, so we make, again, $3 per vanilla, $2 per mocha, yes. So 3 times 0 plus 2 times 200, so the A would give us a profit of $400. B would be a profit of 3 times 150 plus 2 times 50. So that's going to give us a profit of, well, 3 times 50, that's 450 plus another 100, so that's $550. And C would give us a profit of 3 times 175 plus 2 times 0. So what's 3 times 175? That's going to give us 525. So the one that gives us the max profit is B. So therefore we're going to say we have a max profit of $550 at the point of when we make 150 vanilla and 50 mocha. Let's check our problem, see if that's right. Whoops, helps if we're on the right screen. And there we go. You can see we should make 150 vanilla, 50 mocha, and they didn't actually ask what the profit was, they just wanted to know which ones would be the best. I hope that helps.